What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing another Windsor try on haul for you guys. So I actually purchased this stuff from Windsor about around the same time I ordered the other package, maybe a week after. So I did get it obviously a little later than the other one. So I'm just now getting to showing you guys everything that I got because it's been crazy up in here. It's been crazy. I haven't had time to film in my room in a couple weeks, days, I don't even know. But we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna try everything on for you guys, tell you the prices of things and stuff like that. So if you're excited for the video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into it. I will go ahead and then link everything down in the description below. So if you're interested in any of these items, click the link if they're still available or not. I am not sure if they will be. I did that in my last Windsor haul, so if you haven't seen that yet, I will also leave that down below, and everything is also linked in that description so you guys can go check it out. This isn't sponsored at all. I'm just obsessed with this company. So this is the first shirt I got. I will step back in a second. It's a basic v-neck crop top and it is $19.90. And I think it's so cute and flattering. It makes that look good. I think it's so adorable. And it's perfect for, like, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I usually just wear it dressed down because I haven't been going anywhere because of everything that's going on, so I'm obviously not going to get dressed up. So this is the shirt and I'm actually obsessed with it. I got it in a size small and I'm normally a size small, so it is true to size, which is amazing. So I totally recommend getting this shirt if it's still in stock because it is so pretty and very flattering. I think they also have a white color, but I think that's the only colors that they have. So I should actually get the white one because I love this one so much. But this is the first shirt. So this is the second shirt. Don't mind my bra straps. The black, that's my bra strap. It's not part of the shirt, but I got this crop top. It's the tie-dye days crop top for $14.90. And I got it in a size small as well because obviously tie-dye is very big at the moment. So I decided why not and get something tie-dye because I thought it was super cute. So this is what it looks like with like a pair of shorts on, or it comes with, you can buy, it doesn't come with, but you can buy a matching skirt or you can match with like matching pants. But I actually didn't get any of them because I just wanted the shirt. But I thought it was super cute and super flattering, and yeah. So the next shirt I got was a little more basic. This is just a not so basic crop top in the color sage, size small, and it was $14.90. This is what it looks like. It's got a little knot right here. So it covers everything if you're not into showing any belly, if you're not into like crop tops like that. It's perfect for someone like that. I usually wear this just hanging around the house or like going out or something with like a pair of leggings, shorts, jeans, a skirt, whatever you decide to put it with, it will look great. But this is what I got. So the next top that I got is the same top as one of my other tops that I got in the last Windsor haul. This is the basic cropped tube top in the color burgundy, size small, and it was $12.90. So it's literally just like a basic tube top, which I thought was absolutely adorable, especially if you want to show off your tan lines, or you just like, it's really hot and you don't want like anything on your shoulders or up top or anything like that. I think it is so cute. I actually wear this also with some black leggings, which I also think is really cute. But I wear this on like super hot days or when I'm just like chilling around the house and I don't really want to decide what I want to wear. I kind of just throw it on and I just go with it. This next top that I'm showing you is actually one of their new releases. It says Los Angeles on it and it's like a royal blue color. It is a Los Angeles tube top. This color is royal and it is a size small and it was $14.90. And I think it's super cute. It's a little bit more on the crop top side. Obviously like the other ones I wore were crop tops, but this one shows a little bit more of the stomach. So if you're not comfortable showing your stomach a lot, I wouldn't suggest this top. It is a little bit more than I thought it would be. Otherwise I might not have purchased it myself, but I will probably wear this with like some black leggings. That way it like covers like here and like just a little bit of my stomach shows. But I still think it is really, really pretty, and I think the color is really gorgeous. And like I said, I still have the tag on it. I just think it's super flattering, and I love tube tops, and I want to invest in more of them, so this is a great one to add to your collection. So the next item that I'm going to be showing you is actually a set that you buy separately from each other. So it is a Boho Beauty smocked waist tiered skirt in size small, and this was $26.90, and then the top is the Boho Beauty smocked off the shoulder crop top for $19.90 as well, and a size small as well. So I think this one is super cute. I kept my shorts on underneath because it is a little bit shorter. I'm going to step really far back. I'm sorry I have to step so far back, but it is on the shorter side, the skirt, and my husband said it is a little see-through, so I would prefer to wear like a black pair of biker shorts underneath or something like that. I kept my jean shorts on just to make it not see-through, but I think it's so adorable together with like a cute pair of heels or a cute pair of sandals for the summertime, or if you're like going to the beach or a summer date. I think it's super, super cute, and especially if you have a good tan going on, I think it's really flattering. I love the flowiness of the arms, which I think are like so adorable. So I definitely recommend this because I think it's so cute and very pretty for a summer date. So that is everything in the Windsor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely tell me down below. Comment down below any video ideas for the future that you guys would love to see. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.